To open Excel, you can go to search and type Excel, or you can go to start and find Excel. And if you have Excel installed in your computer, you can find it under start or by searching. Or you want to have a quick access to your Excel, you can put a shortcut to your desktop, or you can pin to your taskbar. To do that, right click on Excel and go to More, pin to taskbar. Now you can see Excel over here, or you just simply can drag and drop to desktop. Now you have a shortcut on your desktop. This is the home page for Excel. It could be different for different version of Excel, but they are pretty much similar. Let's look at over here. You can see your recent workbooks. Let's say you have many workbooks that you work with, and you want a particular workbook to show up every time you open Excel. You can do that by going over here, ping the workbook to Excel. Now it'll show up over here. So next time when you open it, you can see this document workbook. You unping if you do not want to see it. Now let's go up here. You can see templates. Microsoft gives you different types of varieties of templates to choose from. You can choose a blank workbook, or if you have a workbook already saved in your computer, you can go to Open and browse to that workbook. I'm going to go to New, and I'm going to choose a blank workbook. Now let's look at what is a workbook and a worksheet mean. Workbook is the entire file. It can contain one sheet or more sheets. We can call these worksheets a spreadsheet also. So if you want to add another worksheet, you come over here, new sheet. So sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So if I go sheet 1, I type enter 1, 2, 3, 4, come to sheet 2, A, B, C, D. Sheet 3, going to type 1, 2, 3, 4. So each sheet is different from other. It's totally separate and different. If you want, you can change these sheet names. So sheet 1, if you come to sheet 1 and right click, rename, you can call project 1, come to sheet 2, right click, rename, project 2, sheet 2, project 3. So each one has a different name, and each sheet is separate from each other. Let's look at more terms in Excel. Excel sheet has columns and rows. Column A, column B, column C, so on. And it goes till Z, then it's going to start column A, column A, B, A, C, and it can go up to 16,384 columns. And you have row 1, then row 2, row 3, and these rows you can have it up to 1 million and 48,576 in Excel. And the intersection between where the column and row meet, it called a cell. So Excel sheet contains a many cells. These are called cells. Each cell has a name. So if you go in the top one, this cell name is A1. Then if I go to the next one, it's the A2. And if I come over here, it's C1. So where your column and row meet, that is the cell that you're going to identify. It's called C1. So you can find the name of the cell over here on the top left hand corner. So if I come over here, select a one, you can see it's the I column and it's the sixth row, I6. So that's how you name each cell. Now we looked at columns, rows, and a cell, and also how to add sheets and what is a workbook. So now let's look at top menu. Microsoft has lots of tools that you can use in Excel, but all these tools cannot fit to one page. So what they did, they created containers called tabs. So these are tabs, they are like containers. So each tab has a ribbon of tools. So insert has a ribbon of tools. Draw has a ribbon of tools. So each tab contains a ribbon, that each ribbon has groups. It divides into groups like clipboard group, font group, alignment group, etc. Then if you go to insert tab, this ribbon, insert ribbon, has a tables group, add-ins group, charts, etc. So let's look at the home tab. And this font group. And font group has more tools in it, so it cannot fit everything over here. So it has another menu that you can go over here, little corner over here in the arrow. If you click it, it gives you more options to select. So now you have tabs. Each tab has a ribbon, and each ribbon has groups of tools. And if you want more tools, you can go to each group corner, click on the arrow, and it'll open more tools to use.